Today, we'll go over key tips for using your HTVRONT D1 DTF printer for the first time, to help you get started with ease. You might see red liquid inside the printer. No worries, it's just from factory testing and won't affect printing. Shake the ink well before use. Unopened ink is best used within a year. Avoid overstocking. Load the film flat and centered. Align both edges with the white guidelines. If it curves up, press it down gently by hand. Connect the printer to your computer via USB. Then insert the software dongle into another USB port. Add ink, run cleaning, and print a nozzle check pattern. Make the test line look good before printing. Make sure both Better Printer and RIN are open during printing. Keep the print car lock, screws, flight case, and foam for future transport or repairs. When using the printer, always remember to turn on the machine first, then the software. When turning off, shut down the software first before unplugging the printer. Read the manual carefully, and you're ready to start your DTF journey.